Hello everyone. From today, Sunday is fixed for only question answer. So, related to print culture, I will tell you some question answer which will be very useful for your board exams. The first question is, who were scribes? First question is, who were scribes? Answer: scribes were skilled persons who used to write manuscript for the publishers. Next question: who developed the first printing press? Answer is John Gutenberg of Germany in 1430. Next question: who were ballads? Answer is ballads, Ballads. Answer is a historical account or folk tale in verse, usually sung or recited. Next, what was print revolution? Answer: it was a revolution which not only reduced the cost of production of books but also changed their relation with information and knowledge. It influenced popular perceptions and people started looking the world in a different way. Next, what is manuscripts? Answer: manuscripts is a handwritten material. Next question: who was Martin Luther? He was a Protestant reformer who favored printing. Next, what was Protestant Reformation? Answer: it was a 16th century movement to reform the Catholic Church dominated by Rome. Next question: what were Beloth blue? Answer: these are low priced small books printing in France. These were printed on poor quality paper and bound in cheap blue covers. Next, what was the basic objective of 95 thesis? When I was explaining Martin Luther King, I told you that 95 thesis was written by Martin Luther King. Question is, what was the basic objective of 95 thesis? Answer is, the basic objective of 95 thesis was to criticize many of the practices and rituals of Roman Catholic Church. Next question: who said printing is the ultimate gift of God and greatest one? Same answer, Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King said same words. Now next question: what was chapbook? Answer: these pocket-sized books that were sold by traveling peddlers called chapmen. These became popularly from the time of 16th century print revolution. Next question: which was the first book printed by first printing machine? All of you know, first printing machine was discovered by John Gutenberg, and first book printed was the Bible. About 180 copies were printed and it took 3 years to produce them. Next question: who were peddlers? Answer: people who roamed carrying little book for sale. were known as peddlers. Next question. Who were Grimm brothers? Who were Grimm brothers? Answer is the Grimm brothers in German spent years compiling traditional folk tales gathered from the peasants. Next one. Name the earliest best known women novelist. Name the earliest best known women novelist. They are Jane Austen, the Bronte sister, and George Eliot. Jane Austen, Bronte sister, Bronte, sisters, and George Eliot. Next question. Who perfected power driven cylindrical press? It is Richard M. Who. Richard M. Hugh. Next question. In which language were manuscripts written in India? Sanskrit, Arabic, and Persian, as well as in various vernacular languages. Next, on what materials were manuscripts written in India? Answer is palm leaves or on handmade paper. Next important question is explain the main feature of first printed Bible. Answer. First point. About 180 copies were printed and it took 3 years to produce them. Second, the text was printed in New Gutenberg press with metal type, but the border were carefully designed, painted and illuminated by hand by artist. Third, every page of each copy was different. Last, different colors were used within the letters in various places. Next question. Who was Louis Sebastian Mercier? How did they use the printing press? Answer. Louis Sebastian Mercier was a novelist in France in 18th century. He believed that the printing press was the most powerful engine of progress. Next, which was the first English newspaper to be published in India? It is Bengal Gazette was the first English newspaper to be published in India. Next question. How did the printing press help in collecting children as its new readership? Answer is first point. Primary education had become compulsory from the late 19th century. Second, publishing industry started production of school textbooks. Third, a children's press was set up in France in 1857. 4. The Grimm brothers in Germany spent years compiling traditional folk tales. Next, anything that was considered unsuitable for children was not published. Last, old fairy tales and folk tales were written. Next question. State any 3 points of importance of penny chapbook. Answer. First point, pocket size book that were sold by traveling peddlers called chapmen. Second, these became popular from the time of the 16th century print revolution. Third, it included many kind of printed material such as pamphlets, political and religious tracts, nursery rhymes, poetry, folk tales, children's literature, and almanac. Next and last question. State the features of handwritten manuscript before the age of print in India. Answer is Handwritten manuscripts were copied on palm leaves or on handmade papers. Second point, pages were beautifully illustrated. Third point, they were pressed between wooden covers or sewn together to ensure preservation. Next point, manuscripts were available in vernacular languages. Next point, manuscripts were highly expensive and fragile. Last point, they could not be read easily as a script was written in different style. One more question. Mention the shortcoming of manuscripts. Means manuscripts में क्या क्या कमियां थी? Answer. First point, the production of handwritten manuscripts could not meet the ever-increasing demand for books. Second, copying was an expensive, laborious, and time-consuming business. Third, the manuscripts were fragile, awkward to handle, and could not be carried around or read easily. For today, it is enough. Learn these questions and subscribe the channel. Thank you.